Hi, Phanessa here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the front loop single crochet. Grab your yarn. It recommends a 5.5, so that's what I'm using. Okay, let's get started. Okay, starting with a chain of 18. I'm going to chain one more for the turning chain. Now you're going to work one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. This is the first and that's the second. You can work either right through the center, or I like to go through the back. So if you turn right through there, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through two, into the next stitch, chain stitch, one single crochet. So continue working one single crochet in every chain stitch across. So this is a part of the crochet series for beginners, how to crochet. I'll leave a link for the playlist if you're interested in checking out the videos before this one. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel out. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Okay, row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn. This is your chain 1, so that doesn't count as a stitch. You're going to work into this stitch. So in the last video we worked through the back loops. In this video we're going to work through the front loops. In a normal single crochet you work through both loops. So insert your hook in just the front loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two. Next stitch, front loop, and work a single crochet. Okay, so repeat all the way across, working one single crochet in just the front loop of each stitch. Okay, I'm coming to the end. I'm at the last stitch. Again, if you're not sure, it's best to count your stitches so that you don't miss any. Now we're just going to repeat that last row. Chain 1 and turn. Remember to skip that chain 1 right there. So into this first stitch, front loops, single crochet, front loop, single crochet. Okay, front loop, single crochet. So I'm going to repeat for a few rows and then I'll show you what it looks like. If there's a video that you would like me to record, just let me know and I will add it to my list. You can send me an email or leave me a message below. I'm going to go ahead and work slower for this right here. Okay. Front loop, front loop. Maybe if I let go of that you can see better. So there's your two loops. This is the front. Okay, so this is what the front loop single crochet looks like. It's a thin fabric compared to the back loop single crochet. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. It really helps out my channel. And hit that notification button if you want to be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.